You can always lose money, guys, and get money back, but you can't get time back. So I guess I'm trying to stress that in this vlog today. That do whatever you have to do to find a way to get money, but still have your time. There's people that work with me here at this plant year round. And I'm sure they're making, a nice little chunk of money, but they missing out on family vacations, family birthdays, family get-togethers and stuff, because all they do is work. And this job, once you get into a little rhythm, I'm catching myself now, so I'm trying to break that monotony, getting into that little rhythm. You get into a rhythm, and all you do.
I'm on, I ain't get the crown. Everywhere you go, then they hold him down. Say no. No light, no mic, but the vision they clear. He dey waka for the world, but the focus still near. From Haiti to Brazil to New York Street, Philly dumb, they capture life steady on repeat. Now the struggle he they show, no disguise. Waiting you see, now waiting go surprise. No blue tick, no hype, just sense. Now hard work and passion we build the defense. Yeppa. Dumb know they chase clout, he chase truth. Omo he they teach like say him be youth. No actor, no play, just vibes. Real talk, real scenes, real life. Feel it dumb, no they fake it, they real. Yes so. No be film trick, this one a deal. Omo legit. From Seattle go down to Argentina. Hey, he they show them say content na gasolina. Yeah, feel it dumb, he they move with grace. Any place na feel it dumb, them they chase. Hey, feel it dumb, no be hype, na respect. Mama, this man down and in chair. Who they bring raw vibe?
What's up, guys? You're rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom, still coming to you live and direct from Alaska. I won't be here much longer. I don't know how much time I have here, but I'm still here in Alaska. On my way to work, man. I'm trading money for time. I am trading money for time. Once this is over, man, I'm gonna figure it out with YouTube. Get the channel back rolling again, man, because this is taking all my time. It's taking all my time. Once again, I apologize. Cut off the layers, came out of the bathroom. Now, hold on for a second. So much is going on. Oh, this is my lunch for the night. I got some salad. I went to a store called Flats. I got some salad. But yeah, this is taking all my time. I don't have time to do anything, man. Trading money for time, man. What you guys don't understand is, I'm in an apartment right now. What you people don't understand is that you can always get money back. You can't get time back. 2007 is gone. Oh man, it's raining out here. It's just one hurdle after the other. Yeah, you can't get time back, and I'm just working. I can't believe September. We're past the middle of September already, man. It's unbelievable. Just working. You know, it's a blessing. You know, the money's coming in, everything is working out. But like I tell people all the time, I'm like in a cloud because all I'm doing is working. And you know, it really hurts my heart because the YouTube channel is hurting. I need time to, put the videos out and stuff, but sometimes I'm just exhausted from work and everything, so I don't be having time to do anything. Because I'm trading my money for time. So my message to you today is try to find out what you can do to give yourself time. I know you want to make money. Everybody want to make money in life. I get it. But you got to find a way to get time. Like, for example, I work for Pacific Seafoods. The owners of here, they don't work. They don't work the crazy. Hold on, get my umbrella out. They don't work the crazy hours that we work. They have their time. They might even be on vacation somewhere in the Caribbean or somewhere throughout the world. Look at this. Look at this. Don't laugh at my pink umbrella. Don't laugh at my pink umbrella. But no, like I was saying before, no, the owner of Pacific Seafoods, he might be somewhere in the Caribbean, relaxing and everything, because, we're working. We're working here at Pacific Seafoods. And he has his time. You can always lose money, guys, and get money back, but you can't get time back. So I guess I'm trying to stress that in this vlog today. That do whatever you have to do to find a way to get money, but still have your time. There's people that work with me here at this plant year round. And I'm sure they're making, a nice little chunk of money, but they missing out on family vacations, family birthdays, family get-togethers and stuff, because all they do is work. And this job, once you get into a little rhythm, I'm catching myself now, so I'm trying to break that monotony of getting into that little rhythm. You get into a rhythm, and all you do is, work your hours, and then come back, sleep, get back up, work your hours, go to sleep, get back up, work your hours, go to sleep, and you literally don't have time for nothing. You literally don't do nothing, and you literally do not have time to do anything else. I have friends that are upset with me because we didn't have time to talk. Because I'm used to talking to, my YouTube friends, regular friends, all the time. But I don't really have time to talk to nobody, man. It's a depressing existence. I'm just working. Right now, guys, I'm gonna go to I need to get some water, man. So I'm gonna go to this little Thai store and get some water, because I need it for sure. And then the weather's bad. It's not that cold in Alaska yet, because people always ask me, is it cold in Alaska? Not right now. It's not that cold. Not in Kodiak, Alaska. Need to get some water, man. Up, the door is locked. You know what? I'm gonna just get water at the plant, and that's the sign. Because usually that door is open, and I can go there and get water, and it's not open. So that's a sign. But do whatever you have to do. I don't know how to tell you to do it, but try to find a way that you have more time and you make a lot of money. My out was YouTube, like working YouTube full time. I mean, I have to spend a lot of time editing and, you know, getting content, but I can manage my time and I can use my time wisely. If I want to go see a relative in New York, I could go see him. When I see a relative in Africa, I can see him. A relative in Jamaica, I could go see him. A relative in Haiti, I could go see him. A relative in Thailand or a friend in Thailand or whatever, I could go see them. Because I managed my time. I had control of my time. But like right now, I'm working for them guys. They had my time. They had my time, Pacific Seafood. So, you know, and I'm not complaining or anything. I'm just telling you people, if you want to have some kind of life, you got to find a way to manage your time, you know. And this ain't just for people working here in Alaska. It's like whatever type of job you have, you need your time. You need your time. Because we don't know how long we're going to be on this earth. We don't know how long we're going to live. We don't know. You know what I mean? There was a guy that was up here that worked at a nightclub here. Cool guy, man. Cool guy. A Samoan guy. I don't know his name. But he worked at this nightclub called Mecca. It's here in Kodiak, Alaska. And, you know, we know him from the town, seeing him around the town and stuff like that. It's a bouncer. He had a massive heart attack. 42 years old. 42 years old. So you never know. You never know. You never know. You know what I mean? You never know. So, I mean, you want to live life to the fullest. And you want to live it a lot. Shout out to Jay-Z on that one. That was in one of his rhymes. But you want to live life to the fullest. You want to live it a lot. So you got to find a way to manage your time, or not, you're going to have a sad existence on this earth if you're just only working. If you're only working all the time, it's going to be rough for you. See, so that's the big thing about seafood processing. That's why I tell people to do this job in spurts. Like 3 months, 4 months, 2 months, 45-day contracts, whatever. Because you work a lot, man. You work a lot of hours. That's how you make your money here. And working all these hours, guess what? It takes your time. It takes all your time. So, once again, I apologize to everybody from the channel, people that watch my channel and everything. Philly Dom is working a lot, you know. But once this is over right here, I will focus on the YouTube, and I'll have a lot more time. And if I have time, I can do lives. I miss lives. I miss lives, talking with you guys. I miss the walk and talk videos. You know, I was trying to do both at the same time, but it's a lot of toll on my body. You know, it's taking toll on my body. I'm older now. You know, I'm not as young, and even if I was young, it's still a lot on my body. Somebody said in the comment section, my boy, LA. Shout out to LA. He's a subscriber from LA. He got a YouTube channel. Check out his channel. LA. He's in my last video. He's in the comments. LA said, yo, Philly Dom, when you was working here a couple years back, you had more free time. Yeah, I did. But not now. No, this job, we're working a lot more. So I don't have that same luxury as I had before. I don't have that same luxury no more. I'm working all the time. It's good because, you know, money's coming in and bills are getting paid and I'm taking care of stuff I have to take care of. But on the flip side, I have no life. And I'm not depressed, you know, I'm a man of God, so I believe, you know. So I'm always in good spirits and everything like that. But it's rough and tough, man. I won't make this up. It's rough. It's a rough and tough situation. Rough and tough situation for me, man. I don't know when I'm leaving here exactly, but I don't have that much more time left. I know that for sure. I don't have that much more time left, so just be patient, bear with me. And don't forget you rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom. And do whatever you gotta do in life to get your time back. Because you know how long you're gonna be around. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. See you in the next video. I gotta punch in right now to get ready to give up my time for money. Talk to you guys later.
These cold days got me dreaming warm nights, sleeping 4 hours, still chasing them lights. Packing fish just to feed my kid dreams. This ain't what I want, but it's what hustle means. Still grinding, still grinding. Philly Dom, still grinding. I wake up to the sound of boats and broken backs, hair nets, gloves, blood stains on the rack, 16 hours straight, barely time to breathe. Kodiak got me thinking about the life I had to leave. No beaches now, no planes in the sky, just steel floors, cold stairs, and machines that cry. This ain't what I picture when I dreamed of success, but real hustlers pivot, I adapt through the stress. Some came in quick, couldn't handle the pace, but I'm still here, grinding with ice on my face. Still here. My passport collecting dust on the shelf, but I'm stacking this paper. Got a bill for myself and my son. He's still my reason to breathe, so I work while he sleeps. Dreams I gotta achieve. Ain't no shame in this hustle, no pride to swallow, cause the road back to freedom is paved with tomorrow. These cold days got me dreaming warm nights, sleeping 4 hours, still chasing them lights. Packing fish just to feed my kid dreams. This ain't what I want, but it's what hustle means. Still grinding, still grinding. Philly Dom, still grinding. Living good on the gram, taking flights, sipping drinks on the sand. And I ain't hating, that's fuel to my soul. Just reminding myself why I carry this load. Facts, I'm the one who left paradise for pain, so I can rise stronger when I'm back in the game. Seafood processor, yeah, it ain't glam, but my heart got hustle and my hands don't jam. One day I'll be back, you'll see that spark. New vlogs dropping straight from the dark. No excuses,